2026 starts with global uncertainty, tariffs, geopolitical slowing growth. One economy stands relatively steady, India. Indian equity markets ended 2025 with resilience. Nifty closed with year up 10.5% despite a mild December correction. Investors' confidence entering 2026 remains firm. Drivers are domestic demand, tax reforms, easing inflation, and expected tariff resolution with the US. Globally, 2025 was volatile. US tariff disrupted trade before late year resolution with China, Japan, and South Korea. US markets still delivered strong returns led by technology stocks. A new geopolitical risk emerged with US intervention in Venezuela influencing oil supply expectations. OECD notes global resilience in 2025 driven by AI investment and policy support. However, global GDP growth is expected to slow from 3.2% in 2025 to 2.9% in 2026. Tariff policy uncertainty and geopolitical risk remains key drags. The US economy showed strong momentum in Q3. Growth stayed robust but labor market softened. Inflation eased, prompting the Federal Reserve to cut rates. Housing activity improved, but uncertainty persists. Europe faced subdued growth with easing inflation. The ECB held rates steady. The UK slowed further, forcing rate cut as unemployment rose and consumption weakened. China showed signs of slowing despite policy support. Japan raised rates to tackle inflation while facing industrial contraction. Asia's growth outlook remains mixed. India's industrial output surged. Inflation stayed well below RBI tolerance levels. Unemployment fell to multi-year lows. GST 2.0, tax cuts, and a pro-growth RBI stance anchor stability. In volatile world, India enters 2026 from a position of strength. Follow Chola Securities for more such information.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.